Struggling with tile cracking during drilling or hard-to-reach spaces, Sanzu brushless drill delivers precise control. 10, 13mm dual chuck handles, versatile tasks, 10mm chuck drills, tiles and glass without slipping, 13mm chuck bores, 10, 25mm holes in wood, and metal 0-400, 1450 RPM variable speed with 42 N torque ensures precise screw driving and smooth drilling. Super vibration control enables fatigue-free, one-handed operation anti-wear torque. Gear and impact gearbox maintain power through continuous use. Easy forward, reverse switching for flexible operation. Ultra-compact body accesses drawers and tight corners. 16V 2R battery handles, home decoration, and DIY projects effortlessly. Get your precision drilling solution now